The manufacturing process begins as high-strength steel plates and structural components arrive at the factory. The forging process begins. Cranes load steel onto conveyors. These bars enter a massive furnace. Intense heat prepares them for shaping. High-strength steel bars are heated inside massive industrial furnaces until they become red-hot. The heated steel is then forged under thousands of tons of pressure, transforming it into critical. Selected metal is melted at extremely high temperatures to produce cast components used throughout the machine. Special molds are prepared for casting heavy-duty components, such as housing, structural parts. The molten metal is carefully poured into molds, where the components take shape. After cooling, the cast components are removed and prepared for finishing. The castings are cleaned and finished to remove excess material and prepare them for precision machining. Computer-controlled machining creates precise dimensions required for reliable performance. Steel plates are cut into exact shapes that will form the structure of the machine. The cut steel sections are bent and formed into complex structural components. The main chassis is welded together to create the backbone of the machine. The front loader arms are manufactured from heavy-duty steel designed for maximum strength. The rear excavator boom is built to withstand years of demanding digging operations. Hydraulic cylinders are assembled to provide powerful lifting and digging force. The diesel engine is assembled from hundreds of precision-engineered components. The transmission system is built to efficiently transfer power throughout the machine. The operator cabin is equipped with controls, safety systems, and comfort features. Protective coatings and the iconic yellow finish are applied before final assembly. Major systems are combined on the main assembly line. The machine begins to take its final form. The wheels and tires are installed to prepare the machine for operation. Hydraulic and electrical systems are connected and thoroughly checked. Every machine undergoes detailed quality inspections before testing. Each machine is tested to verify performance, reliability, and safety. After passing every inspection and test, the completed JCB is ready to serve construction sites around the world.